Give it up for Robin, y'all. Thank you very much, man, for your La Paria Grill food.
It hurts to be loud because I'm kind of sick. Oh, damn. Hold up. Ha 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 ha. Innovation.
Oh, that's smoking.
Oh, that's smoking I haven't been doing. Yeah, must be that. Alright, this is the first page in a new notebook. It's kind of a free write, so if you don't like it, I don't like you. Anyways. I'm writing. Erase it, rewrite it. You the dopest? Relight it. But what's the use when substance abuse is your only true substance in music? You begin to know your limits, come to the conclusion you're codependent, so schizophrenic, it's a different message depending on which hand you hold the pen with. Ooh, that was woo. I need those lines. It's a different message depending on which hand you hold the pen with. 2 years ago, in the fucking zone, in the booth, losing my soul. Had to find me before I became another clone. Truth be told, I'm still sitting here in my comfort zone. A prisoner in your cell of opinion. My felony's tripping off of what melody you listen to. But y'all couldn't even tell the difference. Instrumentals I'm picking through. Fear of ridicule. Tears in the ears of the spiritual. And I could hear it through the little me. Looking up at himself differently. I want to be forgiven and be as big as he is. So I feed him epiphanies, and the bigger he gets, he no longer fits in me. I'm empty. He's right beside me. We both search for the next me, hoping it's the right me. A me currently, I'm unprepared to be. I'm scared to be. I can't seem to find the clarity. I'm too cocky. I'm too sick. But I'm too sick. See, I wasn't careful and didn't see the epiphany is a riddle with disease. I'm a killer. His heart wasn't cold enough. I didn't destroy his version of heaven, but I destroyed the pillars that hold it up. Woo, woo. You got wings to grow. You still a caterpillar. He's throwing up everything I know. My life flashing before his eyes. Emergency. I'm getting the blues from the university. Mama dropped me off at nursery while he's being born, clutching the nurse titties. A time difference. He's coughing. He burps a key. A key to a prisoner in the cell of opinion turns intelligence to wisdom. The answer heaven sent to me. Watching my innocence in jeopardy. He picks it up, sets me free from the bars of approval. Let the blood pump through the heart of the true you. It's the start of a new you. Imagine that. Your soul is a ball of fire. Your skin is candle wax. I think I'm fearless. Dip my pen in the ink of my spirit and raise myself. Trapped in depression. Never forgave myself. Saved myself. Paved myself down the path of a legend. I fed my past and my present and became myself. The flow is immaculate conception. Erase it. Rewrite it, drink it, don't chase it, don't fight it like it. I treat myself like the sun. I speak to the little me. Maybe it's because I can't speak to the bigger one. I'm not strong enough, I'm complex, I'm fatherless. I guess he passed down his arms because they're just not long enough to reach out. Write about it but can't speak out. But the power you receive when you're vulnerable is what he needs now. To write this, I hate everyone's style. Still, I'm the only one prepared to carry this. I put his death into my verse so I can spit an alternate universe where he lives. Woo!